Chiang Mai has been reached, as you can see over there on that sign, which you probably can't read. Tom, how are we feeling, mate?
We're gonna get fucking active.
The bedhead says different, but we'll see how it goes. Overall, we're saying it was a good experience, I think, the sleeper train. Definitely bottom bunk is defo superior to the top bunk, because Charlie over there was on the top and he was not having fun. It was so bright up there, but yeah, bottom bunk was nice, very spacious. The views were nice in the morning. Oh, well, almost getting ragged out
by the train.
By the train. Just by. I thought it was all right, to be fair. It kept stopping us now, which was a bit annoying, but he keeps following us for some reason.
Was pretty nice.
Sunrise was nice.
The views of the mountains and temples and shit like that.
Yeah, it was good, man. Outside the door. And we're feeling a little bit tired, a little bit groggy, the boys, so we've arrived at Puntai Coffee. Getting a little caramel frappe, we'll see how it tastes. Wow, look at that. Got a taste test? Cheers, mate. Wow, that is unreal. I'm already feeling more energised.
It's the pigeon. Yeah, you fucking pearl.
Oh. Whoa. Moped into a reservoir and it looks like this. Wow.
It's absolutely stunning.
There we go, that's on the stalks.
It's unbelievable. It's gobsmacking.
Oh my god, there's a massive gap over there. I don't know if you can see it. Right, so we got to Chiang Mai this morning and it's already so different from Bangkok. I like the vibe so much more. I can understand why everyone says, you know, up north is so much better than down south. I mean, some things don't change. You've still got the ladyboys calling your name.
Some things don't change.
But yeah, you've got all these nice streets. It's looking nice. The hostels are way more like appealing. In Bangkok, the hostels feel, well, the one we stayed at, which was Bed Station, it's nice. It's got a pool, it's got a little gym, but it feels so closed in and everything. And no one's really mixing in the pool and stuff. There's no one really talking to each other. But in this new one, oh my god, there's so many people. It's so
nice,
friendly.
I've been saying this.
Everyone's like our sort of age, and so it's really nice. We're going to the night bazaar markets right now, and yeah, we'll see what we can cook up. Apparently, there's some really good street food. There's a girl we were just talking to. She said the food's really nice and it's quite filling. So hopefully.
Fried shrimp.
Hopefully, yeah, fried shrimp. She was saying.
On the table.
Which doesn't sound too bad. Okay, you might want to have to go for one of them afterwards as well, you know.
Barbecue Thai style.
Oh,
Yes.
that's what we're here for. But I've just bought a little. Like I bought this over here. I've just bought a little Chang one, just for the memories, just for the vibes. I don't mind spending the money, but oh no, thank you. It looks nice though. That barbecue Thai food is where we're going. So yeah, I'll give you a little review. So the one we wanted to go to over there, barbecue Thai style, is unfortunately closed. So we've spotted Gyoza Yummy where they're cooking.
I've never had a gyoza, so I'm gassed.
And I've never had a gyoza. So
little taste test, boys.
taste test. You get 5, I think, 50 baht, 10 baht each, not bad. Hopefully it tastes nice. Wow, we've got them. They're looking nice. Pop them down there on the table. But I don't think the cashiers knew how to count because they took a little while with our change, but
yeah, sure,
that's alright. Let's give it a try. That is fire. So we finished up with the food. The gyozas were really nice. I've just got a pair of sunglasses in there. Mr. Owens got himself a pair of legit Ray-Bans. Come on, very nice. Oh my god, you can buy fucking guns.
Your phone.
You're crushing my shopping. Jesus Christ.
Fucking unreal. Well, you can do like wakeboarding now.
Ah, doesn't look half bad to be fair.
There's a gym.
So we're at the Grand Canyon Waterpark. Been there for about an hour maybe. But we had 2 GoPros in there, but one of the handles broke, so we put one back. But now I've got this out on one of them, and we're gonna go down the slide. Oh, I've got this one. This one, yeah. Fucking hell! Whoa! That was good.
What are you doing the cliff jump?
Nah.
Send me a cliff.
Nah. These surfboard things which I've seen online in like Dubai and shit like that, and this guy says we get 1 free go, so...
Dismount.
I don't think you'll have to worry about this, man.
No, I mean the ascent of it. Alright.
It's still going. Don't know about that one.
Done well.
Just now!
And I tried to beat the offside trap, bent and run and everything. 3 seconds later, I felt my hammy in my back.
Go, Wally forward. Stop, forward.
It can't go on like this, can it? It can.
Okay, go forward. Push up, left foot. Stop, push down. Don't move. Pulling up.
That was way harder than it looked. We're shocking at it, so we're giving up, basically. All of us are giving up.
I think we could have, if we had 10 minutes just doing that, I reckon we could do it.
That might have to be the next.
Want the jump?
The red one. Oh no, I'm not doing that. 8 meters.
Right, head first.
Heck
Right. Head first.
Head first.
Yeah, then.
Head first. Jumps up there. These are the kind of jumps I'm looking for. That's enough for me, that. Right, so we did this one before. Apparently that one's meant to be better. Boys are egging me on.
Safety first, my friend.
Safety first, yeah. Thank you.
Okay, here we go.
Thank you. Fucking hell. Oh my god. That did right my bollocks.
The impact's on your face.
You land straight on your balls, don't you?
There we go. There's so much water went up my nose.
Oh, that was sick. Fucking hell. Oh, not doing that.
A few moments later.
Alright, you going. Fucking hell. Going. I felt it's taking a shut up. Hello. Dude, you just gotta do it. It's not that bad.
Just land on your feet and not your arse.
Ah, mate, I landed on my feet and then my face. Go on, mate, I'll look class.
Just land like a pencil. Now you can do it. It looks so bad, but it's not.
The arse and feet were killing as soon as I did it, but
Yeah.
I'm alright now.
Mate, in my head I'm well. But I'm alright.
You went forward a little bit.
What? Yeah, no, my head fucking... My fucking face on you.
Go on, lad, you got it, man. Come on, Chaz. I know.
Oh, that is sick.
Oh, was that one better?
Yeah, mine. Yeah. Well, I don't just want to chill here forever. Fucking hell. I'll give you a countdown. 3, 2, 1, jump.
Send it, go.
3, 2, 1, just jump. The more you think about it, the less you're gonna do it. Just jump. You've just got to just jump on.
You're over. You're fine.
You've already done the hardest part, which is looking down. So just jump on. Just walk off on.
Come on, you got it.
Come on,
Stop.
the people want to see it, man. Right, they're not doing it, boys. That's unfortunate.
cross your legs, that's why.
Oh, you go rapid in it on that one.
You put one foot over like that, and then you're fine. That opens up your bollocks. I thought you were going to pitch you in the back of the head.
That was fun. It wasn't as good as I thought it was going to be. Fucking hell. Jesus Christ. Oh, that's what we're getting on now.
Hey, show us how it's done. It's alright there, to be fair.
That was a shit attempt. I think this is how it's meant to be done.
This might be a much better attempt.
Right then. Would you do the honours of recording this for me?
I will do, mate.
Thank you very much. See, this is what we're actually here for. This is the real attempt. Let's get a bit wet on the front. Right, you ready?
You didn't go very far, Hugo.
I pussied out of the jump, but I'm going to do it. Mark my words.
Like a fish out of water, innit?
This guy wants to
Look at him.
Yeah, go on.
Have him.
You were just punch you in the face. What the fuck is wrong with you? You were just trying to... It's all from the top. Well done, man. First slips already. He's got him. Oh, he's going for the... Oh, my days!
Oh, so how are we feeling after the loss, mate?
This is the last crack, man. Oh. What do you think of that, man?
We're the real winners. Feed! Yes, the boy! It's 20 to 10. We've decided we're renting mopeds to go to the elephant sanctuary today. So wish us luck, because I do not want to fall off one of these bad boys. I think they're 125cc. So I mean, mine looks a little bit washed, but these two look really sick. So we've arrived at the sanctuary. The mopeds are down there, and yeah, that is the view. Look at that.
City.
No injuries so far, so we're looking good, aren't we?
Just about.
A little bit burnt on the shoulders, but check that cute dog down there. get it cooking. We're cooking, but we'll get it cooking. Feeling good. It's gotta be the safest bridge in the world. What fucking hell, you feel like you're gonna fall straight through it. Look at this fucking thing. Not very nice, that is it?
Of elephant, yeah, the biggest elephant in Asia we call Indian species, Indian elephants. They are about 3.5 meters or sometimes 4 meters in height. This is Thai elephant where they, over there, one there. There are 4 elephants here. They are about 2.5 meters. This one maximum full size, yeah. And again, elephant they are short-sighted, yeah. They cannot see you further than 12 meters. They are colorblind also. They cannot pick up 7 color. Oh no, there are 7 color, right? They pick up only blue. They can see only blue tank, blue sky. The other color they just bright like a gray color. They see gray. The word is gray. And night vision is blue. They can walk in the darkness at night for what? Looking for food, eating all the time. In total, in one day, elephant they can eat a lot. 10% of their body weight. 10% is mean like each elephant they are more than 2,000 kilograms. So it's about 200 kilograms per day.
Oh my
Per day is not in the same hour. They have to eat that much. Yes, they eat little by little. Altogether 20 hours eating. Spend time on eating. Altogether they will sleep about 4 hours, 4 to 5 hours. In their lifetime, they can have a baby. They can get pregnant from 9 years old until 46, 45 years old. Yeah, they can have 6 baby generation, 6 pregnancy in their lifetime. Minimum, yeah, minimum. Each pregnancy takes about 2 years. 2 years, yeah, and then giving birth one at a time. But in Thai history, there were twice. There were twins, baby elephant. Now they survive. Yeah. But one of them won't be healthy because of one of them will be smaller than the other because of they fight for milk. Elephant right now, yeah, they are most of them they are like a domesticated elephants. The one you see here, domesticated elephant in Thailand about 3,200, and the one in the national park or the one in the wildlife about 3,005. 3,005.
Oh my god. Mental. Okay.
Hello.
Sorry, man. That one was pretty good. Bit wet. Chucking them buckets all over ourselves. And everyone else, I'm that guy. He doesn't appreciate it at all, look at him though, he's already got sand all over him.
Hello.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. He's a greedy guy, this one. He's got all me bamboo. Don't have any left.
See how 200 kilograms of food.
In it, yeah, he's just. Oh, he nearly took me hand with me.
I don't know how quick they can run.
Pretty quick, I reckon you could get charged down by an elephant.
Yeah, you won't be able to catch it. I mean, it would catch you.
Yeah, he'd catch you defo.
Hello. Manchester.
Yeah.
I give you my phone. So you don't forget that. You go to back.
No,
yeah.
city. No.
No. Back to the UK.
There's smoke. Smoke from there.
Okay.
Yeah, very
Okay.
cool. Very.
Move left to right when they're close to you. Okay. Yeah. Because afternoon tea is not good.
Oh my god.
Lei, you have to move left to right this way, okay? Lei, what's your name? What's your name? Lei. Lei. Okay, move this way. What's your name?
He's dancing.
Oh, he's scratching himself.
Oh.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh.
Lei, what's your name? Lei.
Oh my god, he's just demolishing a tree over there. Look at that.
How much does he weigh?
Sorry?
How much does he weigh?
300 kilo.
300?
Yeah, 300 kilo. Alright.
No. Yeah. Oh my god, it's crazy. It doesn't feel like skin at all.
No, it's weird,
it feels
isn't
like
it?
some like living, like.
Well, it is.
Well, it's obviously living, but.
You want to Lee? Not again, Lee.
Still doing it.
Something inside, right?
On to the next one. I think this one's 5 months old, so that little one there was a year. This one's 5 months, so should be, I don't know. I'm thinking it's going to be quite a lot smaller, but these guys think it's going to be bigger. I guess we'll find out.
Oh, he's not strong enough.
Yes.
I'm stronger than him. I don't know why he's last time for that. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, he's a pro. Thinks he's Gordon Ramsay.
Go on.
Take picture and
But this one's like 74 or something. He's the oldest one here. He's born in 1950, I think. Crazy, and then look at the views they've got behind us. Wow.
iPhone. Slowly
Oh.
after you can take picture with your.
Drop.
Okay. Ah.
Let me get a picture of him doing it.
Ah.
Oh, just shut up.
Good girl. Okay.
Look at the size of that.
Side by side. Open side.
It's mad, isn't it?
This is for the baby. Baby, you just make it small.
Oh my god.
Just seal. Okay? Small pieces. Okay. One. For you. Baby, for the baby. For the baby.
See that one?
That one down there, yeah.
But you can see only one eye, right? You can see only one eye.
Oh my god, it's so cute.
See?
That one.
Didn't want that. Oh, he
Oh, I don't want any of them.
Yes, he does.
What bastard? Right, well, we're not feeding you then, mate.
Oh, he wants a couple. Oh my god. Get assaulted.
Here's the baby.
Yeah. Gotta be done on it. How old is this one? 8. Oh my god. Hungry, yeah. Wow. Whoa.
Check all the dirt on his back.
I'm not surprised he gets so big, man. He constantly eats, doesn't he? That's 8 years old.
Yeah. You want to do this, man?
Oh yeah.
That's so cute.
I know, yeah.
You can't choose a big fish.
Yeah, she got it.
I just ate half a piece and gave the rest to the elephant.
You are?
I ate half a piece of watermelon and gave it to the elephant.
Who did?
Yeah.
You ate half a piece of this.
Uh-oh, retard alert! Retard alert, class!
No, watermelon.
Oh, I was gonna say.
Chewing the sugar.
Yeah. What, is that what it is, sugar cane?
Yeah.
You actually can eat sugar, you can just look on sugar cane.
That's why your hands are sticking. Turn it into paper.
Oh my god.
Finish that.
On this. So we're walking to the final one now. We've just seen 2 big fucking elephants. Well, we've seen a load of big fucking elephants, but we've just seen 2 absolutely massive ones. Before that we saw a baby one, which was 1 year old, which was really small. And then we saw an even smaller one, which was 5 months old. And that was tiny. It couldn't even like pick up its food really properly. It wasn't strong enough. But we still got to feed them. And there was a little family. It was pretty cool, but look at this. God, it's just insane. My trim is even more insane, but we'll have to allow it right now. Never mind, I thought there was a 5th one, but there's not, so it was only 4. But either way, look at that. Back on the peds now. We're going to a cafe, so decent way to finish the day. It was sick. Defo recommend doing it. Should have put some clips in of it. Obviously, Hair's doing a madness again. Fucking hell! Wow. But yeah, it was really sick. So this is the koi cafe where you eat in the water with all these. Oh, bit low ceilings, but look at this. Got a crab. Oh my god! Wow. We've just sat down. Look at the fish all right here. Look at him. Okay, so Vinzan gets bitten off.
Right, I'm gonna try and bite one of the fish.
Oh, in a minute.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do it now.
Hugo, you know what would make a crazy appear here? Yeah, you fucking
Broken it even more.
You ready, boys? Yeah, yeah.